This is a nice little 6-pin dimple lock. Perfect. And this is for the Joe and John 500 giveaway. Here's the key for you. Nice low, high, low, high. Today I will be using a 1.5 by Multipick. You can read that. And I will be picking this in its traditional format, clockwise, with a number 5 by Multipick. Click on 1, click on 2, slight click on 3, slight give on 4, click on 5, click on 6. I'll go back to 1, testing for feedback. Click on 4, it's more like a give. And that was a click on 5, and we have an open. Today I won't be gutting this as it's quite difficult in this location, and the C-clips are kind of difficult to take off. But there we go, we have an open. A nice view. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.